Hello everyone, I'm Alicia. Welcome to my Beautiful Nights channel. For this video, I'm going to open up another Softflex Company monthly mystery design kit. This kit retails for $36.95 and comes with everything you need to make a few pieces of jewelry minus tools. And this little card here is an example of what you could get in a kit like this. And they offer a challenge, and if you want, you can read over this and get involved. Now, I'm also going to link Softflex website, which is www.softflexcompany.com. I'm going to link their website down there below in the description bar. I'm going to link kits. This one might be sold out by the time you watch this video, but you can subscribe to get future kits. And I'm also going to link their YouTube channel because they do videos opening this kit, and they also do tutorials with it. And I will link their Facebook page too. So their website, YouTube channel, Facebook page, I'm going to link all of that down there. And do check them out on YouTube because they do some really good tutorials with this kit, okay? So I think that's everything. Let's go ahead and check this out. The theme is called Enchanted Forest. And it sounds super exciting. And by the way, before I get into this, the last Softflex kit might have been my most favorite of all time. The colors in that kit, the materials, I'll put a picture up of the design I made with the Surf's Up Softflex kit. I just adore that necklace. It is so cool. Alright, so let's go ahead, do this. Oh, and by the way, I did just film a tutorial. I'm actually sitting here at 1:30 at night filming this because I don't know if I'm going to be able to film this tomorrow. I am right now uploading a tutorial that I spent an entire week on, designing the necklaces, filming, editing. All of this stuff takes so much time. It took an entire week for me to work on this amazing necklace project, and it should be uploaded before I do this. And so if you want to see what I'm talking about, I'll put 4 pictures up of the designs I made for that tutorial. And if you like what you see, go and check that video out. Alright, so let's see what's in here. I'm actually wondering if there's anything in here that we can use for that project, because I just opened up another subscription box and there was actually an amazing pendant in there that would work for that design. Okay, I'm really excited. Enchanting Forest. Sounds epic. Oh my gosh. Is that a fairy? It looks like maybe a fairy. Oh, and they gave us these jars again. I love these jars. Just hit the camera. Alrighty. Let's see. No way. Dark blue lapis. Color, I have not seen this one. It actually looks capri blue to me. That's beautiful. Oh my gosh. Whoa. Look at these. Huge. Are they satin? Maybe 14 millimeter, 12 millimeter, I don't know. Check fire polish beads. They are gorgeous. Those are beautiful. I got these in orange 2 or 3 months ago. What was the name of it? It was this box. The Softflex box. Anyways, I did, I think, a necklace and bracelet with it. I'll put a picture up now of the designs I made. And if you want, that is a tutorial. You can go and check that out. Okay, so here's the baggies. And I'll get this out of my way. My cat is playing with the paper ball. You can probably hear it in the background. Alright, to the list. Softflex, dark blue, lapis, 0.019 medium beading wire. That is this. This is so pretty. That's beautiful. And then it is Softflex 2x2mm sterling silver crimp tubes. I love these. They're amazing quality, and the sterling silver ones are my favorite. They just have like a different feel, or they work differently. To me, I love holding them compared to the other ones. Like, I tried the copper ones, and I feel like those were best flattened. But it depends on what I'm making. You know, sometimes I feel like I can't fold a crimp because of the beads I'm using with it. I hope that makes sense. But yeah, I've experienced that. Okay. Next thing is silver plated ear wire with ball, and then it's going to be the lobster claw clasp. They're in the same bag, so I'm going to do them now. 12mm silver plated lobster claw clasp. Alrighty. And I usually do use the lobster claw, except for last time when I made that necklace. Those are nice. Alrighty. After that, oh boy, teeny tiny ceramic butterfly. They've been giving us some really cool ceramic beads. Oh my gosh, there's a dragonfly in here too. Let's see, I'll put them here because they don't roll over. No way, it's a button. It's a dragonfly button. I think it's Green Girl. It'll tell us on the paper. Holy cow, I gotta use that. I gotta use that. Okay, we were on the butterflies. Oh my gosh. I got 5 of them? Am I supposed to get 5? Teeny tiny ceramic butterfly. The way they say it, they make it sound like it's 1. Those are cool. Oh wow. Oh my gosh. So they're not completely flat. The wings are up slightly. Like they just landed. See that? So that's like, this is like the belly right there. Oh, and they're all like that. So there's actually front and back, yes? Yes. That's cool. Those are really neat. Okay. And then it is Jesse James Custom Bead Mix. That's going to be this container. It's going to be mind-blowing. And the fairy button. Oh my gosh. It doesn't say Green Girl Studios, but it might be. There's a mark on there. A little star. I don't know. I think if I go to the website, because right here, items available at softflex.com, launching July 30th, I might be able to find this. And maybe it'll tell me some info. So cute. That's really cute. I love it. And I think it's pewter. Okay. And then green flower ceramic beads. That's these. Oh wow, this flower is not just painted on, it's actually a little stamp. Can you see? There's a little, well, you can really see it on this one. It's like a flower stamped on, and then they painted it. Those are cute. There's 8 of them. Okay, I think I'm going to put them in the baggie, because we're going to need the scooper for the other stuff. Oh, I forgot to get my thing out. I'll be back. This here, I was putting my beads onto this as I open them, so I'll just do that real quick. Okay, we did the butterflies, and I think that those will fit good there. And these, oh my gosh. Okay. I want to put them in the same spot. There we go. Mind frame. Kind of. Okay. I'll put these on. For it as well. think I lost it. There it is. Alright. Okay, alright, okay. We have to sort through this. And I can't really fit that onto the board. Next thing, I'll put the crimp tubes on later. Next thing is pewter dragonfly. So that's this. I was a little confused. I'm like, did I screw up the button thing? He's different. I've seen a lot of different dragonflies. He almost looks like you could put beads on his tail. Okay. And then check glass bead mix. So that would probably be the bag. And then it's check glass green emerald squares. Yes, okay. This is not going to fit in my tray. Holy cow. Oh my gosh. Okay. Green. Where did I go? Check glass bead mix. Check glass green emerald squares. These. Oh, there's so many beads in that bag. These are beautiful. So I got 6 of these. I really love these in the orange ones that I got last time. I thought they were awesome. Okay, those are cool. And then 14mm check glass 2-tone purple satin fire polish. These, look at that. You see the clear in there? These are amazing. I think this might be, so far, I haven't opened the jar yet. These might be my favorite beads so far. You see the clear in them? That is beautiful. They're really nice, and they take up a lot of space. Okay. So, I think when it said bead mix, check glass bead mix, I think it was meaning these beads here. So I have these in my stash. These are table cut beads. I have them in satin blue, so like this, but it's blue, as that swirly look to it with travertine. But these are transparent, and they are table cut. I have not seen what this looks like without the cut on it. I've always seen them table cut. But they are beautiful beads. Okay. And then these are, oh, I know what these are called, corrugated rondelles. Yeah, I get these a lot in the subscription box. These come in different sizes. This is the smaller one. This is AB Amethyst. Those are beautiful. Okay. Oh, there's one in my hand. Another hand. These are drop beads. Check teardrops. They're purple with a bronze or gold luster. One of them is actually broken. Beautiful. Man, those look amazing in a flower. Have I used these in a flower? I don't remember. That shape though would look really cool. Okay, I'll put them here. And then we're going to this, so I have to make room. Oh, it's taped shut. Okay, struggle with that. So it says Jesse James Bead Enchanted Forest on the lid there. So cool. Oh my gosh, we have iris beads in here. These blue iris rondelles, Chinese rondelles. They're huge. Those are beautiful. And these, I love these. I've always wanted to make rings with these. I think this is the Mystic one. Beautiful. Okay, and then these here. You think these are table cut, but they're actually not. I think it's a Chinese bead. It looks like it's table cut, and maybe it is, but it's not. Check. Those are really cool. Okay, and then these are green iris, and I have never seen them in this shape. That's bizarre. Look at that. It's actually like a triple cut. Those are cool. It's 4 of them. Where am I going to put them at? Maybe there. And then we have leaf beads. These are not check. Again, I think these are Chinese. They are much thicker than the check. Almost double the thickness. See that? Very neat. Okay. And then we have 8mm. Yeah, purple round beads. And then there's flowers. These are cute. Chinese crystal flowers. The bead is actually, I think, is it gray or clear? It's crystal clear with this coating on them. They're pretty cool. Okay. And wow. I love these. They look like they're Terracast. They're very heavy, solid metal. Beautiful designs. I love those. Okay, and then we have filigrees. 8mm. No bead caps this time. It's going to be challenging. Actually, these are kind of like bead caps. They're Hishi though. That shape. Those are nice. I feel so challenged. We're running out of space. Maybe like this. Okay. And then we have 6mm light amethyst. There's a lot of those. Oh, I just found another one. They're not going to fit there. Here. Not really. Not really. I have to do some rearranging. Okay. And then these, I should just scoop these. These are silver Hishi. Or Heshi. Maybe it's Heshi. They kind of remind me of washers. But on their side, they look really nice. They're nice beads. Oh, look at that. Actually, it's not bad because I have to put the crimp here. That's open. I have 2 open spaces. I have to put the crimps in there. But, hopefully, there you can see everything. This is beautiful. Again, look at that blue color. Alright, so this is it. I'm going to link the Soft Flex kit down there below in the description bar. This one might be sold out, but you will be able to get the next one. It's going to be a lot of fun. Cannot wait to play with this. Alright, so yeah, check out the links below in the description bar. Go and check out Soft Flex's YouTube channel and see what they're going to make with this kit. So this is it. Please like this video, leave me a comment, subscribe if you want to see more of my videos, and make sure you click the bell button so that you get notified whenever I upload new videos, and follow me on my social media sites. I'm on Instagram, Pinterest, and X. Thanks for watching.